This is a terminal knee extension with hip flexion. It's going to make the terminal knee extension a little bit more challenging. And so what you'll do is you'll get up against the wall. Now, the closer your butt is to the wall, the more challenging this exercise is. So the further away it is, the less challenging it is. What you'll do is you'll lock your knee, the leg that you're working. You're going to lock this knee straight. Pull your toe towards your knee, so this leg is straight. And then you're just going to go ahead and lift it up for a second, and then back down. And you can totally relax and lock it again, and then up, and then down, relax. So what you'll do is you'll try to push that knee into the floor. Try to touch the back of the knee. It won't touch the floor, but try to touch the back of the knee to the floor before you lift the whole leg off at the hip. It's important that you keep this knee straight. Again, it's up, and then back down. And totally relax, and back down, and up, and back down.